Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling this morning? Today is the 28th of February, and you know what I'm saying? We're going to be trying to make some profit positions today. I got something kind of marked up here that I'm really liking. Liking this pound yen buy. Waiting for this 30-minute candle to close. If we're able to close above 165.51, we'll go ahead and take that buy position. If we end up closing below 165.51, we're just gonna wait and see how reacts in the range, and then we'll go accordingly from there. So you know, really looking forward to this position. Looks like a really good setup. We got super clean traffic to the left hand side. My boy Glacius, boy, it's good to see you, man. Just like always, man. Thank you so much for saying what's up, buddy. It's really good to see you, man. I did see your play. It was like a sell you took on gold for like 30 pips. Glacius, bro. That's my boy right there, man. Keep that shit up, man. I feel like you, my boy Witty Wicks, you know what I'm saying, my boy Chain Trades, all them guys, bro, it's all going to be very influential to everybody else to start trading. And I like that boy Tanush. That boy Tanush, he in there, he talking a lot. And Glacius, I want to also apologize. I got to give an announcement to my group as well. I've been very inactive on my Discord. I've got like 4 trades I need to update to it. That is my apologies. Personally, I have been relatively lazy to updating that. I've been taking care of other things personal and regarding towards life. But other than that, though, I can't make too much excuses. There has been times I've had time to like update it, but personally, I've rather just taken care of other things. So definitely got to update my Discord and everything like that. But at the end of the day, everybody knows they can come here on my YouTube and see exactly what happened. There's not a day I really don't trade unless I'm sick or something comes up, like family-wise. But other than that, yeah, we're here every single day. So just want to make sure that I'm also putting that down. Yeah. But I do appreciate your consideration. I do appreciate you understanding, my boy. But I am going to probably be right back. I'm about to make some unhealthy ass maruchan. You know what I'm saying? Some little bit of the ramen noodles. You feel me? Hungry as hell. Kind of thought about getting a little little breakfast. Kerwin Jones. What's up, Kerwin? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you. Good morning. Good morning. Kerwin. It almost sounds like Kerwin. There's a guy that traded like a long time ago with Raha Banks. His name was Kerwin. Hey, if that's you, there's a lot of people named Kerwin, but I'm pretty sure there's a dude named Kerwin from way back on Raha Banks streams like a long time ago. Dude was a very, very what I liked about Kerwin is he seemed like a student that really paid attention and a student that really listened and learned how to trade very, very well through Raha Banks. So yeah, hey though, Kerwin Jones, really good to see you, doggy. Yeah, see, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That man's fire, bro. Oh God, that boy Kerwin, dog. That's comedy as hell. Very, very cool stuff. We have a super clean range as well, guys. If we look on like the higher time frames, very clean range here. We do got to be relatively careful. Hey, Mel, Makayo, bro, what's up with you, man? Hella good to see y'all, man. Seeing some people tune back in. No, brother, it's not me. I'm a noob trader yet, hoping for the best. Hey, Kerwin, you got a legendary name, though. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, my boy. It's all good. Alright, so I think I'd be relatively careful, though, because this 4-hour candle's got 46 minutes, and there's no wick, no... I don't know. It's a little strange, guys. But this range, though, just seems so perfect, you know? Might as well take advantage. Situation like this, though, kind of had me feel a little iffy, to be honest. I'm being honest with you guys. I mean, obviously, bullish, looking great. But I don't know. You know, because you always think, how much does this candle have to really push up? You know? Yeah, God, hey, like my boy Glacier said, you'll get there, buddy. Shit, I'm still trying to get there myself, man. That's why I'm trying to be here to showcase it. You know what I'm saying? I know by no means I'm not no professional trader, guys, but I am trying to do my best to showcase what it takes, showcase what it, you know, the times that people don't show. You know what I'm saying? Like yesterday, I had a pretty good example. you know, depending on your entry, you know, it can depend on, you know what I'm saying, certain people in the same type of bias can actually profit. But with the entry I had yesterday, unfortunately, I was like 8 pips away from my initial take profit, and then it just started rejecting back towards my entry. At that point, I had to make a tough decision either to try and let it ride so I could potentially get that 1.5% gain. But if I was to let it ride, I was probably looking to lose about 1.1 to 1.4% because I did end up trailing my stop yesterday. But what I told myself though, as it started coming to my entry, I started thinking in my head like, do I really want to take a loss after I was just 8 pips away from actually taking profit? Fuck no. I told myself I'd rather just go ahead and maybe take like a $3 dub. You know what I'm saying? Like, fuck it. I don't care as long as it's not affecting the ratio. But yeah, hey man, it's all great. It's all great seeing you guys. Hey, Kerwin, buddy. You know, if you're interested, if you've been tapping into my YouTube live streams recently or anything along those lines, buddy, we would be I'd be more than happy to get you tapped into my Discord so that anytime you make a trade, you can basically just journal your trades, bro. That's all we're basically doing in my Discord is just basically we're just journaling our trades. You know what I'm saying? And I think if you ask me, that's the best way to try and become good at something. You know what I'm saying? You put some time into something, you get good at it. You know what I'm saying? Just like anything in life, you know. And I'm comparing these two things because in our day and age, in our generation, it's real easy for motherfuckers to try and want to be good at something like video games. Why? Because video games, number one, is naturally fun. Okay? Number two, if you play it all the fucking time, you're naturally just gonna get good at that fucking game. No ifs, ands, or buts. Same if you were at like a fucking ice cream shop. Like, if you were a guy that didn't know shit about ice cream, if you work at an ice cream shop, you're eventually gonna know fucking all different types of ice creams and ice creams with different types of milk and fucking yogurt fucking ice cream and all types of shit. And you're just gonna know that shit because you've been doing that shit. So I really like the power of the Discord that I got because I feel like we're all journaling our trades. I feel like we're all just coming together as a good group and we're just fucking making shit happen, you know, no excuses. No excuses. Back to the basics. 12 minutes. I think 12 minutes is enough for me to cook my maruchan. Hey, y'all, I'll be right back. Be right back cooking some maruchan. But I'm gonna be back for this candle though. So don't think I'm not. I'm gonna be back down here in like real soon. Let me get my parameters set. Alright, so 167.30, I'm down with that, you know what I'm saying? Just we'll see how this stop loss at 167.30. Ooh, that was perfect. Yeah, 26 pips too. That looks fucking beautiful, guys. That stop loss looks fucking nice. I'm not gonna lie. It's just if it starts breaking below those bullish candles, I mean, we gotta expect, you know, the trend's probably gonna start changing on us. But pretty promising setup, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I do feel pretty confident in this trade, and if it fucks me, it fucks me, right? But I do feel confident in this position. We just gotta be patient. You know, that's about it. Just gotta be patient and let it be. Be right back, guys. I'm gonna start cooking some maruchan. Your boy is hungry, boy. Oh my god, man. I'm starving Marvin this morning. I don't know why. I am a breakfast guy, though. I know some people don't like eating breakfast, but I ain't gonna lie, dude. I love eating breakfast. Breakfast food's amazing, and I ain't gonna lie. I just there's some mornings where I can eat a little light breakfast, and there's some mornings where I can really eat some breakfast. You feel me? But I'm about to go eat some trash breakfast. I'm about to go have a little bit of maruchan. It's all good. You know what I'm saying? A little maruchan never hurt, but not the best for the old body. You know what I'm saying? Gonna lie, it's not the best food for like energy purposes or nothing like that. But you know, does sound kind of good. So I will be right back, ladies and gentlemen. So just hold it down. I'll be right back. All right. And hey, Glaciers, Kerwin, Mel, what's up with y'all, man? Hella good seeing y'all. Just letting y'all know that, man. Hella good seeing y'all. Wow, so I'm back. Looks like it pushed about double. Last time I remember my stop loss was about 25 pips. Shit's now it's like 45 pips. So, um, that's not a big deal really. It doesn't really matter that much, but it's always better, you know what I'm saying, to have a little bit. I kind of prefer a little bit tighter of a stop loss, to be honest, because it's like I get to take profit a little bit sooner. This kind of forces me to hold the whole thing until about 40 something pips. But the good news is though the range is perfect for it, so I'm not really tripping. I feel like there's a good chance we can get 40 pips within this range. Not to say that this doesn't just, you know, come back on us, right? I mean, we have been pushing up for quite some time, but you know, in a session that we're in now, you know, easily could turn profitable for us. So just don't want to just enter that position there. And really, guys, I'm gonna let this run. I mean, if it just goes straight drawdown on us, then yeah, you know what I'm saying, I'll go ahead and close early. I'll close full early, probably around here. You know what I'm saying? But really, I just don't see it happen. So 42. So at 42 pips, that's when I gotta take profit. Let me just put my position down here. So we got to buy. It's at 165.76. 165.76. 165.76. Fuck. 165.76. One six five three four four. Oh wow, that's perfect. 769. 769. All right, we got 769. There it is. 165.769. My take profit is fat as fuck. That's overall take profit though. It's not initial take profit. It's overall take profit. Just let you all know. So 167.30. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the position here. This is the actual live position. Top of the morning, my boy Witty Wicks in the building. What's up with you, dog? Good to see you, man. Hey, my boy Glassy. Everybody, if y'all are still in here, man, say what's up to my boy Witty, man. Y'all been kicking back, talking to each other, man. I love to see it. We got some new people in here, man. We got Kerwin, bro. You know what I'm saying? Kerwin, little new. Witty Wicks, I know you know that. Yeah, I know you know who Kerwin is, Brody. The other Kerwin that be trading gold with Raha Banks. We were trying to decide if that was the real Kerwin, but it is the other Kerwin, and the other Kerwin is still a cool ass Kerwin. We in here trying to make some money. We trying to keep building our skills, but either way, got a couple new people. Great to see the new people in here. I appreciate, and I want to let everybody know too. Like, if y'all come here to watch this, I literally can't tell who's watching. Like, I can't. I don't know how many people are watching me right now. Only people I know that are watching me are the people that comment. So, hey, man, shout out to y'all, man. Appreciate y'all letting me know y'all here, man. I respect that shit. Yes, sir, man. I'm feeling pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Gotta get that overall take profit. What my stop loss again? Stop loss was 42 pips. 42 pips. Let's see. I gotta put my price thing. Price range 42 pips. 69. Oh my god. 42 pips. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So right now, at the moment, since I am cooking some maruchan, I'm putting down some alerts right now, so I have an idea to come back down if something's going on. I'm gonna be putting some alerts down for instance if I'm getting close to take profit or if I'm getting close to my stop loss. Should I take a bong rip on stream, guys? I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Yeah. Feeling good, guys. I mean, shit. This position honestly looks kind of just easy. Hope you have a good morning. I took gold position early this morning, still running till it hits TP or stop loss. I'm gonna post that in the Discord later. Witty Weeks, thank you so much for posting in the Discord. Thank you for your activity, bro. I really appreciate it. At the moment, the host with the most has been fucking slacking, bro. I got like 4 fucking trades to upload to my Discord. So, my apologies to everybody. I did apologize to Glacius earlier this morning on that. I will be getting to it. Have been relatively lazy updating it, and there has been moments I could have updated, but I just didn't. I took care of other personal things, but yeah, I just want to let y'all know that I am gonna be making that happen though. Gonna be updating everything, all the trades, everything. I do gotta go check my Maruchan though. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to put an alert for trailing my stop loss if I'm gonna be away. So what this does, right? So I got Trading View on my phone, right? So whenever this alert hits, it gets sent to my phone. So if I'm upstairs or away from my computer, I can know that price is where it's at because it hits a certain alert on my phone, and it can let me know what to do pretty much. 42, have 42. Like so sorry, guys. Oh shit. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Woo. Alright, what's poppin', y'all? I'm back. I gotta fuck this Maruchan up, guys. Holy crap. So hungry. So my apologies for being a little rude here eating on stream. But I am starving, dog. Holy. It's crazy to see how good of an entry that would have been on that 15-minute. Holy crap. Okay, so like, just to let everybody know, this is where the 30-minute candle closed, relatively about here. With a little bit of spread, I didn't get the best entry right here, right where that fucking, it would have been like right here with no spread. But these two candles make up the 30-minute wick. If I would have paid attention to this 15-minute, holy guys, I mean, talk about profitable, right? I mean, there's no way that this is a fucking, yeah, I was gonna say there's no way there's more than 25 pips. This is, you could have had a safe 22 pip stop loss. Yeah, we could have already hit TP1 and just been chilling. Damn, boy, something to pay attention to, man. That was a time period I was really looking at that shit the whole time, boy. 7 o'clock. Like, how the hell did that even work out? What happened there? What did I not do? Yeah, that's crazy. Huh. With such a big stop loss, guys, I'm not really tripping. When I do start getting around this area, though, I'll start, if we start trading below, like, 165.48 type shit, I'll probably start considering closing full. We have yet to get to a position where I can trail my stop loss. So since I can't really trail my stop loss, I don't want to sell myself short in the position. Being in drawdown is part of the game. So I'm just gonna deal with this drawdown for right now. Although as I am reviewing this though, we all know that this 15-minute though, wow, could have been very profitable for us right here. And looking at that, not that it upsets me in any way, but it definitely makes me think like time to time, like just consider these smaller time frames. I don't always like trading off smaller time frames because these smaller time frames don't give the best confirmations, but we end up sticking with our 30-minute confirmations, and we're gonna have to be trade managing for sure. We're gonna have to be doing a lot of trade management and risk management. So just gonna see how it goes. my opinion, guys, I feel like this is easily just a wick. We have such a long way to push up. It's just unrealistic to think that we're not gonna have some type of bottom wick. So, and also, seeing this, the reason why I'm not even tripping or even having any type of like, oh shit, because even this is 42 pips, I just want to let everybody know I never have a fixed lot size. My lot size is always determined off percentages. If I have a big stop loss, my magic keys is going to automatically calculate 1.5% of my account on this loss. So that's going to in turn obviously lower my lot size. I'm not going to be trading with fucking 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, or fucking a standard by any means. Probably going to be trading with like a point fucking 06, a point 0.05. To me, it doesn't matter. I got to get the habits down first. You feel me? If I can't get the habits down first of being consistent, ain't no way I'm finna make big paper with 100 fucking lots and 50 lots and 25 lots. Shit, I imagine myself trading with that one day, but I gotta develop good skills and good confidence, you know what I'm saying? So doing this is all gonna help that out because right now I feel confident still in this position as I'm in drawdown. Now, if I was over leveraging, I'd probably be looking at this being like, I would look at this and be like, fuck. You know what I'm saying? The reason why I'd be like, fuck is because I was just in profits and now I'm back drawdown. That's always a shitty feeling, you know? Especially if you got nowhere near a point where it was like you couldn't even trail your stop loss or anything, you know? It's like, what do? You just got to deal with it, right? But yeah, that's just something I really want to emphasize on my stream today is like, even though I do got a big stop loss, I never have a fixed lot size where I'm like, that 42 pips gonna fuck me up. It's still a 1.5% loss. So if it starts going trading below right here 165.37, we'll just cut the loss short. Hey, what's dope about this, bro? I can sit here and eat ramen noodles and just be like, hell yeah. Like, it's crazy thinking that's how trading works. Like, I can't wait for, like, when I'm an old ass guy. You feel me? I'm like 55 and shit. I'm gonna wake up. You feel me? Have a little cup of coffee. Or, nah. Let me reiterate. I don't like coffee, to be honest with y'all. What I do like, I love chai tea. So, you know what I'm saying? I'll get a I'll get some type of machine, a little espresso machine that makes chai teas or some shit. Yo, Starbucks have some good ass chai teas. The hot ones. I like them all. I mean, I like the cold ones. I like them all. My sister put me on them motherfuckers. I'm not gonna lie. I love chai tea. It's such a good flavor. So I'll give me a little chai tea in the morning. Wake up, stretch, pop the old bite, the old back. You know what I'm saying? Start the PC up. Look at economic news. Shit, make it happen. You know what I'm saying? That shit's gonna be dope. And it's cool because these financial markets are gonna be here forever. You know, that's why I wanted to get into this business, is because in this business of Forex and the financial markets, it ain't gonna leave, man. We have to have some type of value in our life. If there's no value in anything, no one's gonna want to be a butcher. No one's gonna want to fucking clean sewers. No one's gonna want to be a doctor. No one's gonna want to be a lawyer. No one's gonna be any of that shit because no value to it. You know? And how we can create value is through currencies. You know? And that's why it's gonna be here forever, right? And shout out to Forex, we're able to buy and sell. We can make money if it's going up or fucking down. You know? When people are tripping about the stock market crashing, I ain't gotta give a shit about it. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, if I'm holding certain fucking, you know, I got puts on certain type of stocks options or whatever the fuck, you know, then maybe, yeah, right? But, you know what I'm saying? There's always risk management you could do for that shit too, right? But that's not my force way. That's not my front way, so I ain't even gonna speak on it. So anybody does that shit, more power to you. I don't do stock options, but I do have some stock. I like own stocks. I got like some with like Medtronics. Uh, I got a little bit with I got actually a decent amount with Tesla, which hasn't been very great recently. Same with Amazon. Thought I got in a good position on Amazon. Hasn't been so great. What else? What else? Medtronics. Oh, I got Penn National Gaming, which is like a casino business. I mean, casinos gonna keep going up. I feel like, but like I got a basic ass knowledge in regards to stocks, so I really don't know shit. You know what I'm saying? I just got some money, so I might as well invest. Hell yeah. Fucking beautiful. That's what I'd love to see, bro. Let's take a look at that. Excuse me. Hey, yo, anyways, bro, good shit, bro, on that fucking gold position. I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, I would imagine you took a buy position, but I could be wrong. Probably gonna be on this stream for a while, guys, to be honest. And we got some United States news at 9 a.m. So I wonder how that's gonna affect pound yen. I can't lie, guys. I make my own maruchan. Holy shit. I made that really spicy. What? I gotta go get some tea, guys. Holy shit. Yeah, so we just got a guy just in the chart. You can check it out real quick. This Alright. Well, boy, why you posting this in London though? This is New York station. Bro, that stop loss is fire. A stop loss is fire, dog. Yes, fucking sir. That's what I'm talking about, dog. Yeah, that stop loss was fire, bro. Cause this candle right here, boy. If you didn't have this stop loss right under here at this level, dog, you had your levels perfectly marked up. Super nice fucking trade, dog. Beautiful. Beautiful. If only I can make it sound like that. Beautiful. That's what that. If y'all, that's what I'm saying when I say that right there. Like the lads. Beautiful. Shisho. That's beautiful. Yep. I'm over here just chilling. I'm gonna go check the old dogs. Damn, guys, I'm so sorry. This is kind of why I hate having a big ass stop loss too, man, because it is kind of boring on the stream, dog. Like, you really, you know what I'm saying? There'll be a day though I get real popping, you know what I'm saying? But shout out to y'all. I'm very thankful for the people I do got, you know what I'm saying? Keep it very little entertaining, but you know what I'm saying? My God, you know what I'm saying? I have a good feeling we're gonna be around here for a little bit. I mean, I expect that having such a fat ass stop loss, you know what I'm saying? But damn. Yeah, there it is. Beautiful. That's he spelled it perfectly. I was thinking about how the fuck I was gonna spell that shit. Hey, I gotta see my UK guys though, man. I gotta fly out to the UK. That shit seem dope over there. It seem a little dreary, but shit, them fish and chips sound good. I smack that shit, man. You know what I'm saying? I keep a shank on me too. Shit, it's all good. A knife ain't hard to obtain. You know what I'm saying? Gotta stay dangerous. You know what I'm saying? God bless America. I love America. I still feel safe in America anywhere I go. You know what I'm saying? But we get the right to bear arms. So shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't even, you know, shit. I let it bear my arms, and I feel safe anywhere I go. You know what I'm saying? It's not like I, you know, beautiful, beautiful in it. What is it? The Barclays. Shit, that shit's hard though. They got the soccer there is lit. Soccer there is lit. Hey, that should do something lit. Hey, I'm saying OFAS posted in London because that's the time I took the position. Yeah, you right. And plus, this technically this is also post London. You know what I'm saying? London session I don't believe ends until like 11 my time, 11 Central time. Yeah, it's from 2 in the morning till 11 my time. So yeah, technically it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. I agree. Like after looking at that, you're right. Cause it's technically not New York, cause it's fucking 7 a.m. is New York, you know, but well, it's 8 a.m. is New York for you, cause you're Eastern, but you know what I mean. Everybody kind of have their own different times. Man, shout out to this guy though, man. Shout out to this guy, right here, man. Lo-Fi Geek. What a legend, dog. Like he keeps it keeps the stream fucking lit. You can drop a like on that boy stuff. Hey yo, I do gotta say one thing I do. Alright, this is completely random, and some people, if you're anti-gun, well, it is what it is. I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say regardless. But I do gotta say, one thing I do love about being an American citizen is like the fact, like for instance, like if I ever have a kid or anything like that, you know what I'm saying, in the best regards possible. Obviously, I don't want to do it when he's too young, but like, you know what I'm saying, he's about, 14, 15 maybe, about that age. I think, maybe I'd start, like to train him with some firearms. And what I think is really cool about that is if this shit ever hit the fan, what I do like about the American citizens is like it wouldn't be our first time using an AK-47. It wouldn't be our first time using a AR-15. It wouldn't be our first time handling different pistols. It wouldn't be our first time, even, I mean, if you got the certain licenses, you can even have light machine guns, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's one of the things where it's like, we can be very well soldiers as long as we have the proper information, you know what I'm saying? And we got the right guys telling us where to go, where to push, where to flank, how to do this, how to do that. If you can shoot your firearm properly, everything else will kind of come relatively second nature. But at the end of the day, military tactics is a huge thing. I mean, we all know information and knowledge beats everything, right? We all know the pen is mightier than the sword. So, yeah, but at the end of the day, I do love that fact because not you can't say that like for instance like a Russian soldier. I don't know exactly the rules out there, but I feel like most of those guys aren't touching a assault rifle till they're actually in the military. You know what I'm saying? Or if they got family that's in the military, right? But for us, we don't really necessarily have to be in the military and still be able to train fairly decent. You know what I'm saying? Or if you take it really seriously, you can train very, very seriously. And yeah, you know what I'm saying. It's really cool the power that we have here with that, and I just like that just because I feel like we can have some good soldiers. You know what I'm saying. But at the same time, it's like it's unfortunate too because I've also seen fucking shitty videos of like. Now I know it's completely off topic from Forex, but there's like private military groups, and one of them's called Blackwater, and I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of shitty. Like I saw some videos where it seemed like they're kind of being some bitch ass dudes running through the city. You know what I'm saying? Like just fucking having no remorse to the people and shit like that. And I feel like that don't speak good on America, and I don't like that shit. Like if I was ever a soldier, you know what I'm saying? I try and give as much respect. If they respect me, I'm gonna respect them. That's how it is. You know what I'm saying? And that's how I like to think of it. And it's unfortunate when you see shit like that because shit, if I was the person in that country and I saw that's what America was doing, and I wouldn't have the best outlook on them. I'd be like, man, these motherfuckers are assholes. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, fuck, that shit sucks to be honest. But there's always gonna be their bad here and there. But at the end of the day, man, shit, it's just it's crazy. I don't know. I'm interested in that type of stuff. I really do like that type of stuff, and I just got a lot of love for all the allies, man. Shit, man. I got the whole love for the whole world, man. To be honest, man, I love my Chinese people and my motherfucking Russian people. You feel me? But sometimes the governments just be feuding. You know what I'm saying? Kind of crazy. But regardless, though, man, if I saw my Polish brothers out there, man, you know what I'm saying? United Kingdom dudes, man, I'd be ready to protect them like they was the homie. You know what I'm saying? Damn, this is looking interesting here. Let's take a look at the higher time frames because it's technically more of a higher time frame position. I was anticipating pretty much being able to hit 167.30 in time. I know this can't just happen real quick because we do got one hell of a. This is a very very bullish, very very bullish candle though, so I feel pretty confident. We might have a little bit of a wick here on this 4 hour, but it's gonna be some holding here, dude. Um, really looking to hold this whole entire position, to be honest, guys. If I am closing, I'm gonna be closing like close to about here. Like I'm gonna try and let this whole position pretty much ride out, because I do understand this high. This is kind of a higher time frame trade, so I can't really get too psyched out by seeing something like this on 30-minute charts. Obviously, this is relatively lowering the probability of my trade outcome, right? Because we do have a candle printing bearish on top. We could start forming a retracement play. I might even take another buy position once we form a support. You know what I'm saying? We could form a support right around here at 165.52. Price will come down. You know what I'm saying? We could even play a little bit around, have some wicks that come down here. You know what I'm saying? And eventually, we can maybe start forming support around this area. Once we form a support in this area, if we are able to print a bullish candle, something looking about like this one right here, or we can print something like that right here, I'll be down to take another buy position, stop loss about the same position, and let the rest ride out for the higher time frame analysis. I did hop in this play early because I wanted to take that risk personally, and I wanted to. I want to take the position early, and being in with the New York Stock Exchange coming up around the corner, could be very profitable for us. But as we are printing down, NYC is around the corner, not looking the brightest, right? Not looking the brightest, you know what I'm saying? But it's okay at the moment. We just gotta hold strong. Still, trend is very, very bullish. Fucking the Scottish lads. Something I'm definitely gonna do, probably even today, even is I'm gonna start backtesting gold on the 5 minute. There's been so many times I've seen, like, in specific for some reason, just really nice plays on support on the 5 minute for gold. I mean, it's been like pretty interesting. And you just gotta pay attention. Like, you just don't want to be getting in a situation where you're trying to buy on supports when it's really not in a profitable time period, where there's not a lot of volume in the markets. Like, if you can tell, like, all these supports you could have bought them, but it just wouldn't have been that great, right? But the second you would have bought it, getting near 8 o'clock, and you're already in New York session, that candle right there, obviously just bullish as shit, super strong, crazy to think. I'm always trying to figure out how I can get a more and more fire entry. So this is not even that much, 18 pips, profitable within the first candle, within the first 5 minutes, guys. That's very, very impressive. You know what I'm saying? Something I definitely want to keep improving my skills on. If I can improve my skills on all these type of aspects in trading, and how I can better myself with price action trading, I'm telling you guys, I'll be able to get you guys some fire positions. Right now, we are kind of like short, kind of in a fucking situation. Not so beautiful. Every time I say that word beautiful like that, I think of there's this group I like. It's like a 60s and 70s band, man. They're good. They're a good band. God, I can't think. The Hermits or some shit like that. The Hermits or some shit. But there's this one song called Mrs. Brown. Dude, that song's so good. I love that song. Mrs. Brown, you've got a lovely daughter. That shit goes hard. That shit goes hard, I'm not gonna lie. She doesn't love me now. She's made it clear enough. It ain't no good to bond. Yeah, it's a good ass song. Oh, God. I know we could be waiting for this retracement play, but oof, chat, it feels terrible. I just gotta like understand that I gotta deal with this. I just gotta deal with it because I'm already. This is kind of like more of a higher time frame trade, and understanding that it's like, oof. See, what I gotta be careful of is like the more I'm looking at these 4-hour candles, dog. It look like there'd be like 3 of them bitches. This is the third one, so this is like the last potential leg, right? That it could even potentially make this happen. We'll see. We will see. There's been some nice big ass wicks though in each one of these, but as you can tell, never broke any type of, didn't make any new lower lows, right? Just kept saying higher lows. So higher lows is always a good thing, right? And that's kind of what I'm anticipating here. Yeah, it's crazy to think I could be in this trade for a long time, probably this versus 4 hours, to be honest. Not saying I'm gonna be streaming that long. I'm probably gonna end the stream. I don't know, maybe 10 o'clock because I am gonna be in this for quite some time. Who knows? Like, I'm confident that this play should work out for me, right? But there's still that chance that it don't. If it does work out for me, something tells me if it works out for me, I gotta be very patient. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta let it ride. But what was I about to say? Yeah, in regards to how long I want to stay on the stream, don't know, guys. I don't know. I'll just see how it goes because we're gonna be here for quite some time. I'm only taking one position, so it's kind of like shitty that, you know what I'm saying, we gotta wait for so long just to see the outcome of this position, right? But it's kind of why I like scalping, especially if I'm streaming. You know what I'm saying? It's just I like to be able to get the results in and out. It's kind of like my, you know what I'm saying? I prefer scalping. Not that I have anything against swing trading. Swing trading is amazing too. Shit, if you're a great swing trader, shit, that's, I mean, you can't be complaining when you're making hundreds of pips, right? But yeah, I'm thinking maybe about 9 o'clock, 9:30. Of course, I'm updating Discord. I got nothing else better to do today. I got like 4 or 5 trades I think I need to update to you guys. Like, man, I think it's like 4. But it could be 5 if this is today. Like, I don't know. I'll go back through my history and my MetaTrader and see what I posted last on Discord. Go ahead, post all those charts. There's a lot of times I just gotta be thankful, man. There's sometimes I think like, man, dude, I'm waking up to be able to trade with a desktop in my home, and man, there's some guys out there, man, that are waking up in the cold in a trench with a ghillie stove outside, making them some little tea in the trench. Whew. Sounds rough. But if your country's being invaded, what do? You know? Definitely something crazy to think about. And definitely thankful I'm over here. But if push comes to shove, boy, we'll be in there. in it. I was looking back at the comments of this comedy, seeing it. NYC's around the corner now. I'm also really excited, guys. I'm gonna be doing some updates to my house. Getting some new laminate floor. Trying to rip out some of these old carpets that I got. Trying to remodel my bathroom. Took out the drywall and shit like that. Looking to remodel it, make it look nicer. Pretty much for like resale purposes. You know what I'm saying? Because I really don't plan on residing in Kansas City for like the rest of my life or nothing like that. But kind of thinking in the moment, like once I get my house paid off, I'm looking to pretty much try and like have it fixed up even nicer, right? So it can be more presentable to sell it and rent it out. I'd like it to be one of my first rental properties. It's in a smooth area. You know what I'm saying? Um, and shit, you know, I'm thinking about just making it look real nice, and it's pretty excited to start doing some update to. I've had these carpets for quite some time. Um, but yeah, it's gonna feel really good though, especially putting in them laminate floors. Gonna be really nice. Personally, I'm not putting them in myself. You know, I'm gonna hire someone to do that shit, but I will be taking out all my carpet and everything like that myself. But it definitely is. Yeah, bro, it seems so good. Hey man, I'm not gonna lie, dude. Shout out to YouTube. Really happy I came across my boy Glacius. Um, Super good dude, man. I really appreciate it a lot because he's very participating in regards to Discord. I mean, yeah, he'll throw his comments down, being like, "What's up, dog? I'm here," which 100% I appreciate that a lot. Same with Mail. Everybody else that said, "What's up?" I know sometimes Husan Raza coming here. I know sometimes my boy Mel coming here. Kerwin said what's up. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all y'all, man. Shout out to Kerwin, man. Shout out to y'all saying what's up. Um, I really appreciate that. Uh, but yeah, man. In regards to Glacius, though, man. Uh, Witty Wicks. I know him personally in real life. Really good dude. Super happy to see him and Chain Trades. I know Chain Trades in real life as well. Very good friend of mine, and I'm just very happy to see that we're all on our shit. We're all journaling. We're all taking trades, making it happen, right? And very impressive. Very impressive for me to see that. But what's more impressive to me at the same time is the fact that someone I have no idea, someone I've never met before ever, and through YouTube, you know what I'm saying, kind of be able to come together and kind of have more of a conversation, get to know someone more a little bit. Uh, it's really cool to be honest. I mean, I think it's super dope. Glacius, bro, thank you so much, dog, for fucking uh, kind of being participating in this. I feel like you're definitely gonna spark the participation within others to start posting their charts. Because the idea is never to be discouraging by any means. You know what I'm saying? I don't want people to feel like, oh shit, I don't want to post my chart because like, damn, I had a shitty trade or like I did something stupid. Like, if you if you feel like you're scared to take a loss or scared to admit you take a loss, man, it's gonna be very hard for you to ever correct anything you mistake in life. Cause you just gotta grab the bull by the horn sometimes and just take it to the chin, dog, and just realize you fucked up. You know what I'm saying? But no one's gonna be in the Discord talking reckless to you like, "Oh, bro, you should have did this or you should have did that." You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my god, the word "should" is just literally the worst word possible. I hate that fucking word. But yeah, it'd be more of a thing. If someone asks you a question, answer the question. But if there ain't no questions or asked, man, just keep them encouraged, man, and just keep them pumped up to, hey, man, there's always another trade as long as you don't over leverage. You know what I'm saying? If you don't over leverage, you be all right. But if you over leverage, I mean, shit, no one's got to tell that man he fucked up. He gonna look at his account and be like, damn, I fucked up. That's just that, right? You know what I'm saying? So there's no point to throw salt at the wound, just telling a nigga, oh, bro, well, you know what I'm saying? If you over leverage, you over leverage. Oh, not so. Okay, I was gonna say not the greatest. It's 829. That candle started printing freaking bearish. I didn't like that too much. I was like, oh shit. Not that it mattered, cause it's not even gonna close right now though. So I guess I'm tripping. Doesn't even matter. I feel like psychologically and mentally, I'd like to see it be like at least bullish though at 8:30, which it was. Ha, at least a little bullish. Not that that means shit, but like at least psychologically, I feel a little bit better closing at 8:30. You're not closing them. I don't know why I keep saying that, but because I know on the 30-minute, Dan, them motherfucker closing bearish. Let's be honest. That's probably what that's happening. Oh my god. Maybe not. Saved by the whistle. Saved by the bell. Saved by the 30-minute candle. Nah, just playing though, to be honest. It's probably not gonna be, you know, hey, we got a little minor bullish candle here, not too bad, right? We was kind of expecting more of the retracement play to be down here. I'm not taking a second position here. This don't look like too big of a retracement for me to even try to take a second position on this. I'm gonna keep the same position I got on this and just hold this 1.5% I got going on. No need to add risk on a 3% with a weak bullish confirmation like this. By no means is this any type of retracement. Price could just be sitting here just ready to blow up again. Price could also be ready just to shit, shit right down. So we just gonna see. We gonna see. I'm saying the obvious shit right now, so I just need to stop talking. Cause no shit, it's gonna go up or down. So that's kind of stupid. I don't know why I'm saying that shit. We just gotta be patient though. Young Rudy. That's that 5 minute. Where's he at? Damn, that man right here, he's getting fucked. Hey, come on, 5 minute Rudy. You supposed to tap me in. Okay, cool. So this is the point I get to trail my stop loss, and this is the point I get to close to the OTP. Not really though. It's not that close. I only did that 'cause I was moving around. If I'm gonna put near TP, I'm gonna put that one right there. Update that one. This is perfectly fine. I'm pretty sure this is like literally right half. 21 pips. At 21 pips, I'll definitely start trailing my stop loss. Probably move my stop loss from here, probably like somewhere in this area. Somewhere in this area, I'd probably trail my stop loss if we start going in profits, right? I mean, I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna hold the position. Level of composite index based on surveyed households. Actual grading forecast. Good for currency. Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. Surveys about 3,000 households, which asked respondents to rate the relative level of current and future economic conditions, including labor availability, business conditions, and overall economic situation. Very weird and interesting. What the fuck? The Conference Board Consumer Confidence. Huh. Feel like I've never seen this. I mean, I know I have before, but like, just didn't really read it. Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for the majority of overall economic activity. Surveys about over 3,000 households, which asked respondents to rate the relative level of the current and future economic conditions, including labor availability, business conditions, and overall economic situation. Hell yeah, that's dope. Alright, so these little support resistances are 5-minute support resistances. I feel like if these levels break, we could see something. Hey, is this 30-minute candle? Is this 30-minute candle Rudy? We gonna see. Is he Rudy? Is he trying to pump him up? Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I've had like a super powerful PC with these alerts set up. I'd almost start streaming a damn game at this point. There was one time I thought it was hilarious. I saw this dude, Raha Banks. This dude started playing Call of Duty in the middle of his stream. That shit was comedy as fuck. I was like, yo, this man got a powerful PC though. I would not be able to play no type of video game and stream this at the same time with MetaTrader 5 running and my Magic Keys like all together, bro. I just feel like that's just weird. I feel like that's just, yeah. I feel like that would not be, my shit would be clapped. Oh. You're you're finally starting to trade above the entry. Again, this is kind of like an off-topic thing. I just started randomly thinking about it, to be honest. But um, my next round, at like my next 1,000 rounds of ammunition I get, oh my god, I'm gonna try and practice so much with my left-hand side. Like, I feel pretty damn good with my right-hand side. Me aiming right-hand side, feel good. But the second I'm switched, ooh boy, it's like I try and practice keeping both my eyes open, and with my right hand side, I keep both eyes open even at a very good distance and maintain my accuracy. Like even at 100 yards, I can have both eyes open, not feel cross-eyed or like have trouble looking at my target. But the second I switch left-handed, oh yeah, my eyes are fucked. It's like I gotta try and practice where like I'm left eye dominant, and I start looking through my left eye even though both eyes are open. It's like hard to explain, but like if you guys shoot or anybody shoots before and has shot with both eyes open, you kind of understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm trying to get better at switching from right to left, and yeah, definitely gonna be doing a lot of my next 1,000 rounds. Gonna be pretty much shooting primarily from my left shoulder. But I do use an AK platform, so gonna have to make sure I keep my thumb down so that fucking bolt doesn't come back and fucking rack my shit on my thumb. I like to hold that mag well when I'm handling my firearm. I also like grabbing the handguard too. I mean, the handguard's also great, but I feel like it feels really nice when you hold that mag well with the AK platform. What's cool about AR-15s, you get to have that like scorpion grip where you can like grab the whole fucking barrel, and that shit's dope. That shit's real dope. I actually built a I'm more of an AK platform kind of guy, but I did build my own AR-15, and super interesting how that worked. Very difficult too. Well, I can't say it was that difficult. I had some help by a good friend of mine, but without him, it would have been very difficult. I'd have been much more lost and took a lot more time. But yeah, the AR-15 is super awesome because you can just have that super cool grip, super nice round, low recoil, accurate. I mean, it's a great gun. Man, I gotta hear that. We gotta switch it back. We gotta switch it back, guys. We gotta switch it back, guys. 3 pips up. Yes, sir. 2 pips up. This position worked out very nice for my boy Witty Wicks. Soon I'm gonna get a soundboard. I'm gonna get that woo when people get hype. It sounds like the Drake and Josh people in the background when someone kisses. Woo! Motherfucking scream. Drake and Josh. And I'm not gonna lie, dude. Shout out to Witty Wicks, boy. This boy Witty Wicks found this music. If you don't know, you won't know. But if you know, you know, dog. This music, hey, I'm not gonna lie, just feels legendary for the stream. And shout out to this dude, just use some regular shit. You know, it's not like his own personal music. This is just some shit you can find on YouTube, right? So I can play it myself, and it's just comedy to think about that shit because I still love watching his streams. Not that I used to. I just feel like I used to watch him a lot more. Now that I do my own streams, I don't really watch him as much anymore. But I do always like to continue my studies through him. I always like to keep doing that. But no matter what, my boy Rob Banks, he'd be streaming with this music, and damn, that shit's just nostalgic every time I hear it. Every time I hear it, bro, it makes me puts a good feeling. I always used to think like this dude got the craziest music, but every time I'd watch his stream, and I wasn't able to watch his stream during New York session because I was at the kill and slaughter floor and I was like killing animals and shit, so I didn't have time to watch it during the daytime. So when I got off work, I would come back and I'd watch his New York stream, and man, it's like these songs would get drilled in my head, and fuck, now I love them. I'll be honest, I actually fuck with this song. Like all these songs, I like it a lot. Like, dog, this sounds so goofy, dog. I feel like a middle-aged 40-year-old dude that's got no swag. That's how I feel like I listen to this shit. But low key, bro, it's been so ingrained in my head. I like it now. Yes, bro. I fucking love this shit. Here we go. The next one. Yesterday. Yeah, nigga. Yesterday. Oh, let's go. Yesterday. We was on the way. Yesterday. We was on the way. When November came. Shit, I wish it was yesterday. He hit that. Why the fuck when I hear this guy, I feel like this dude sound like a wannabe Ricky Martin. I was out away. I feel like I think about the first live action Scooby Doo movie when I hear this song. I don't know why. It's like something about this beat, something about the way the dude sound. It reminds me like the early 2000s. Scooby Doo live action, that was my shit back in the day. It's sad to think that was back in the day now. It's crazy to think my ass actually getting old. Hey, anybody in the chat, if you younger, man, put a 1 in the chat. If you older, put a 300 in the chat. Yesterday. Woo! Sorry about that, folks. Holy. Got me so itched. Holy shit. Cough me britches off. Beautiful. Cough me britches off. Hey, when I'm saying that, bro, I got love for my United States Kingdom dudes, man. My United Kingdom guys, bro. I'm not showing no disrespect when I sound like that, man. I respect y'all. What I think's funny though is I think about how it sounds for like being in United Kingdom whenever they try and sound like us. I bet you this is comedy for them. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're in a good position to start. Oh shit, that scared the fuck out of me. Alright, yeah, we're gonna start trailing that stop loss now. We'll move it underneath these 30-minute candles here. Give it a little wiggle. And we'll put it right under there a bit. Alright, right there. 165.63 4. 634. we're about like halfway. So in my opinion, since we're about halfway in profits at this point, I'd like to start trailing my stop loss for the worst case scenario, right? I guess I'm willing at this point to deal with some drawdown still, because I still kind of move my stop loss. Um, but at this point, we do take a loss. I want it to be very, very minimal. And I want to give it a little bit more chance, because if it takes me out, I want it to like actually take me out. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be like, I got taken out by spread. Like if it breaks these wicks, I don't want to be in this trade no more. So if price starts coming back down trying to break these wicks, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. If I take a very small loss, I took a much smaller loss than what I would have taken. So, you know, it would be a learning situation. But personally, being halfway up, I'd like to see it continue going up at this point. I don't want to see it start coming back down at this point. You know what I'm saying? If it starts coming back down, well, it is what it is, right? Not going to trip. Because tomorrow, the way I got to look at it is tomorrow, if I take a small loss in this position because it just started retracing and coming back to my entry and then potentially just trying to break those wicks, right? If it does something like that, obviously I think at that point, in my opinion, be invalid. But not to mention, my next position I get, I'm gonna have a 1.5% win, and this loss today would be way under 1.5%. So pretty much gives me a really good opportunity just to keep making profit positions. You know what I'm saying? Increases my window. I'm hitting my P&Ls. That's what it's called. My profit losses target. What if 9 o'clock, that 9:30 candle could just really blow up for us? It'd be pretty interesting to see. Gonna go back to the old MetaTrader though. Or trading view, excuse me. Alright, back to the basics. Yeah, but I do like that. My November came. Man, I wish it was yesterday. It's crazy how fucking drastic trading you can make it look. Like it looks like I'd be up like hella. But like I'm only up 13 pips. Like what the fuck? It's comedy as shit. Like it's funny how some people be using that like to make it look like hella hype. And like at the end of the day, it's like something on this. That's what it looks like. It's like damn. All right. Well, chat, I ain't gonna lie, man. I don't got much to say at this point. We've been on here for a minute. Um, I guess the thing you can take out of this stream so far is like you saw me trail my stop loss. You know what I'm saying? You saw me enter the position. You saw kind of like me deal with drawdown psychologically, how you're supposed to feel. How I think you're supposed to feel, right? I don't think you should be stressed out. I don't think you should, you know what I'm saying? I mean, these are all, every time you take a trade, you should always understand, like, you need to understand how much you're going to lose before you even enter the trade. And if you don't understand how much you're going to lose before you enter the trade, I'm just going to let you know right now, you're trading ass fucking backwards. And it's going to be very difficult for you to be a profitable trader if you don't understand how much you're going to lose, because then you're going to be like, second you start losing money, you're going to draw down. It's going to be rough. It's going to be real rough, and it's going to mess with you. I feel like that's the craziest thing. Like, when I first started trading, like, most everybody's talking about how, like, psychology's, like, the most important thing, and, you know, your technical analysis and all that type of shit, it's, like, it's important, but it's, like, doesn't even amount to 10% of what, like, is really going on. Like, 90% is freaking like more is like 95% type shit, like psychology. And the more and more I start trading, he's definitely, it's definitely true, because uh anytime you're in drawdown, anytime you're in profits, like, it's always like, you know, what do you do if you're in profits and then you start going back in drawdown? You know what I'm saying? It's like, what do you do? You know what I'm saying? Some people just hold, and some people do different things, right? You know, to keep them profitable, because that's the idea behind this, right? Is we got to being profitable, you know? I mean, we don't want to be not profitable. So I feel like it's easy to forget that, like, how to manage a loss is easily forgotten, because you think if you're going to be profitable, you just got to win trades. But in the real world, and you know, it's not a perfect world, so it's like you can't expect to win every single trade. There's gonna be days you're gonna lose. So in those days you lose, or those times you do lose, like, what are you gonna do? How do you handle it? And I feel like that's the power of, like, trading with, like, low lot sizes and shit like that. Because if you trade with low lot sizes and you're trading with real money and you're trying to develop the habits, I feel like it'll be much easier to deal with the drawdown, because you've been through it so much and before, that you understand what can happen, and you gotta understand that the money's really nothing. Like, it's like you kind of lose the emotional connection to it, and it's crazy because it takes a while for that to happen. Because I'm be honest, I've blown hella accounts before in the past, and, like, it's all due to over leveraging now. And I would always just think about the money, and damn, that shit would fuck me up. Because anytime you, like, yeah, I had a good week, right? But next week, what if next week is just shitty? Like I take a dub, like, so I've had a position where, or a time where it's like, one week I took only one position every morning, over leveraging as hell though, and I was a profitable position, but it's 10 pips, right? 10, 11 pips, but I'm over leveraging though, right? That week went great. I'm super confident into this next week, right? So now instead of one position, I take two positions. They're already on a Monday, bro. I lost. I'm thinking, fuck. Tuesday, I get in a position. I take another two trades. I lose. I'm already one trade away from what I fucking lost the week before, and I just lost again. I was just like, damn. It was crazy. Like, psychologically put a lot on me, and I was like, it was crazy because, like, my account went from, like, yeah, it was bad. It was like, went from, like, a rack, almost two bands, to like $300, maybe $200, and I was like, wow. Like, it was really unfortunate. I was like, damn, dog. Like, that shit stung like a mug. And yeah, it took a while to, like, lose that connection with my money. I mean, there'd be times I'd be in a gold trade or anything like that, and man, I'd see that when that shit started jumping, and, like, I'm seeing the money coming up, I'm like, dude, you could scalp 10 pips super easy. You just open up these positions, and, like, oh my god, I was doing some crazy shit. When I mean crazy shit, I was doing some dumbass shit. Like, holy, like, when I think about it, I'm like, man, I was trading ass backwards. And I mean, that's why I'm thinking in my head, like, it'd be cool for me to just show this now. For anybody that's new, you know what I'm saying? Or anybody that's just trying to, because I still feel like I'm an amateur, you know what I'm saying? I'm by no means a professional, right? But, shit, when I leave the butcher spot, when I'm at the butcher spot, you know what I'm saying, on the side, you know what I'm saying, I got enough bread to, like, afford insurance outside of a company and like outside of like benefits and stuff like that, hell yeah, man. Or like however the trader be doing it, you know what I'm saying? However the big trader, you know what I'm saying? I know if there's a will, there's a way, and if they're doing it, I could do it. Well, definitely like how this candle is closing. I can't disagree with that. Yeah, wow, this is straight clean traffic after this. Whoa. It's coming back down pretty violently though. But if it stops us out though, it stops us out. It's just not meant to be. Cool thing is though, this bar I'm not even tripping though. The loss would be super small. Like I'd let it hit. Went from 43 pips to 15 pips. So if that hits, I mean, it's just trying to take me out. I feel like it's in a great spot. Straight below his wicks, even enough for some spray, even enough play. So if it even just goes even past that, I mean, shit, I want to be out of this position, you know. I want to let this ride though, so we can see how it happens. Cause this whole time I've been trying to make it to where like at least this stream you guys can see me take a dub or me take a loss, because I didn't want to just like have to update my Discord, because I'm not gonna lie, I've been shitty with updating my Discord, so I want everything to be documented here. We'll update my Instagram so I can just show this shit. Oh man. Good morning, IG. Good morning, IG. Back on the stream. Today we took a buy position on the pound yen, and currently we've been in trade managing quite some time. We ended up doing some risk management. We had a 43 pip stop loss. Now we've trailed the stop loss down to a 15 pip stop loss, making it way under a 1.5% loss, probably not even a whole percent. And at this point, we're just being patient, trying to see what we can do. Position looking to come back down to it on us. If it does end up closing us out on a loss, it's going to be a very, very small percentage loss. And I'd be happy with how I managed the position, but I am still holding strong to my bias and looking forward to it reaching TP1, which is at 42 pips. Um, but we will. I'll just keep it updated on the YouTube. Have a great day. Thank you so much for tapping into the stream, everybody. Glacius. Glacius. I was about yeah. Fuck that shitty. I was trying to say everybody's name. I gotta redo that motherfucker. Hold on. That was terrible. Hold on. Hold on, chat. Let me do this. Alright. Hold on. uh, Good morning, IG. Good morning, IG. This morning on today's stream, we've been doing a lot of trade management. And first and foremost, I want to thank everybody for commenting in the chat today. Witty Wicks, my boy Glacius FX. I got a new guy in here too. Appreciate him tapping in. Kerwin Jones, very very cool to see Kerwin Jones. And Mel's good to see you back, buddy. Regardless, um, been trade managing this position quite some time. We end up doing some risk management by trailing the stop loss from a 43 pip stop loss to down to a 15 pip stop loss, resulting in much like a 0.05% if it ends up coming down to our stop loss. Thank you everybody for tapping into the stream today. I'll keep it updated. Thank you guys so much. I'm still live on YouTube if you guys want to tap in. Let's see. Gonna have a long stream today. Looking like it's coming back down to the. As long as I think I'm okay until it breaks the wicks. If it breaks the wicks, at that point, I think I've lost a lot of my confidence in the position. Probably end up hitting this for the loss on the stream. But regardless, though, I was able to showcase a good amount of risk management. So I'm pretty happy about that. I'm disappointed with the consistency, though. You know. So it's kind of because yesterday I almost had a profitable position, but there's been better entries I could have taken. You know, that's the thing. I could have had better entries, and I just got to make sure that I'm more aware of these entries and take those risks on, even if it may be on a lower time frame. You know, because they've proven to be very profitable, and that's the end result because I've already seen the profitable position that I could have taken. But regardless. Um, I didn't. So with that being said, uh, looking forward for tomorrow's stream to make sure that I'm applying those new things that I've learned and really try and emphasize it on the stream, so I can provide more value to you guys as well, to show also even what it's like to try and learn from your mistakes. It's kind of interesting though, right there. It did price came down as you saw and held that 5 minute support. This is a 5 minute support here at 165.66. It actually completely rejected as soon as it hit that 5 minute support, which is pretty interesting. And if anybody was ever to like kind of gain any type of information on this stream, at this point I really don't know if anybody's even watching at this point. I've been on here for quite some time, so I really don't blame anybody. It's pretty boring. It's like watching paint dry if you're not really interested in if you're not interested in trading. But uh, if you guys did learn something from my stream today, I'd appreciate a like on the stream. Only if you guys did learn from something though. And the only reason why I always like to repeat that is because if I see more likes on a video, I understand that I provided more value on that video, and it helps me when I look back on my videos to understand that I keep increasing that. You know what I'm saying? So yep, it's getting close to breaking 1 week. It's already broke that 5 minute support and coming close to breaking those 30 minute liquidity wicks. So far, it hasn't broken this liquidity wick here. This 30 minute liquidity wick support. Liquidity, can't even say that. 165, 60, like 63 type stuff. It's coming down though. I mean, it looked like it. There it goes. So I've lost confidence now, ladies and gentlemen. At this point, I'm expecting it to hit the stop loss, and if it does, no big deal. We shall go back to the MetaTrader so you guys can actually see it actually close me out. But I imagine this in a sense in like this, in a moment like this. I imagine this in a situation where one day it'll be a 6 lot, right? But right now it's got to develop the habits, right? Got to develop the habits. When I say the habits, I mean the wow. Look at gold. That's crazy as hell. There's even a gap. Very interesting. And that was due to that the CB Consumer Economic Report. That's very interesting to see. Let's go back to that. Here it is right here. Consumer confidence. 9 a.m. Look at that. That's very interesting. Very cool. Mario, great trade, buddy. That's an excellent trade. Yeah, gold. Gold, man. I'm telling you, gold every time seeming like just to do the trick. So yeah, guys, we're definitely coming to that stop loss. I have no doubt in my mind. At this point, I'm just waiting for it to stop me out. Holy shit. There it goes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Well, damn, oh damn, right? That's kind of how it went for me today. Not the greatest. Uh, Definitely more profitable position to be taken, and looking to be back on the stream tomorrow morning, and be happy to see everybody that tapped in today. Thank you guys so much for tapping in my stream today, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow morning. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day. Let's keep hustling.